So, well, guys, thanks for being here. Another difficult day with gold. I tried to open a sell position in 41.16 into the Tokyo session. Well, this was the moment when I opened the trade, and then it touched my stop loss and give us a movement for 6,000 no 600 pips with no issues. So yes, unfortunately, there was a trade for Tokyo session. The point was strong. The point was strong. 41.16, as you can see, the price retest here one time, um, and then just go. The thing is, the candle what I choose was the. I was thinking that was the retracement, but now it goes up a little, 60 pips, and then just go back 600 pips. So it was a beautiful trade, but with no successful stop loss. 51 pips I use for that stop loss. For me, it's big. But well, the things happen, so it's time to continue. And now what happened now due to the news? We have a high impact news today. So let's see. So well, we need to wait these 10 minutes for take the decision. Um, well, I go for some water and back. So well, let me clarify the positions. Mm. I'm not sure at this moment if it's a sell or it's a buy, it's a loan. So for that reason, I'm waiting. Let me clarify something here. Probably the price will take because now we are into the volume sell zone. Here at this moment, it's a sell zone. Sell zone. Um, the next long position is in 90, 95, 95 here. So let's see what happened. Let's see what we have. $50. So it's Friday. I already lose one trade, so I don't want to lose another trade. If you listen some background, it's because I'm building some things in my house. So that is the reason the workers are outside. Don Julio is here. LMS, my friend, welcome. Top Dog. Mm, Bitblock. MSG. Jorge, mi amigo. Bienvenidos. Well, beautiful people into the chat. So that's great. That's nice. Um, Working process. Nice. Nice to see you again. So let's wait this candle, guys. Let's wait the candle in 1 hour ends for clarify the position. If the price respect the sell zone, we will change the plan and take a sell position. If not, the price ends near to the 41.40, 41.38. It will break the sun. We will take another position. Patient is very for a good position and trade. Ponle un poquito de español al stream. Si no preguntan en español, no hablo en español. Let's go to full TP. Yes, unfortunately, the last trade was beautiful. I know the sun was strong. I know the position could be great, but the price for I don't know 6, 7 pips touch the stop loss and then go 600 pips positive, and that's make me angry when that things happen. Um, well, Okay, 9 minutes. I start trading. So beautiful Selson. Beautiful Selson. As you can see, give us a nice reaction. So probably we will fall into the long position. Beautiful, beautiful Selson. What is your opinion about long time? Can we see under 4 key? I think yes. I think yes. But it depends. It depends for this month basically. For the news and everything. I think we will see the 45 this year. To be honest, yes, I'm used scalping most of the times. Can we tell which type of? Okay, uh, guys, speak in English. Speak in English. Say empty Sander. I did a buy 40.75. Perfect. 75. That was a really good point. So well, it was a nice one. And next do the CPI, perfect. Range. The thing is 40, 45. Was a really nice point. Was a really, really nice point. Probably you will hold a little more. I already answered you, Kumar. I do scalping. These people. Guys, if you are going to do a spam, I will block you. That's all, guys. 5 messages asking the same things. How to understand things slow and swing high. Well, this that depends of the structure, my friend. Basis into the break of a structure, something like this. Like you need to use this tool, trying to use in the mark the lowest prices and then the highest prices. Um, Probably we will see something like this today. It's pretty easy. You need to clarify the what is the lowest price when it did the break of a structure. Then this break of a structure, do a retest. Um, yes. You're looking for a long or for a short? I'm waiting. I'm waiting this minute. At this moment, we will try the um, so well, seeing the recent CPI is not supposed to go to reach all-time high. Probably yes. All the news was negative. The price just goes up again. Another one who wants to be blocked. Laurito, can you explain me what space is through cell zone? This is in cell zones, my friend. Cell zones. Negative information for the news, so probably the price will go up. That's all. Then we have PMI, something positive, but that's all. Not too much. So well, this moment we got this information. So let's prepare the sell position. It respect the sun. It respect the sun. So we will prepare the sell position. Mhm. Okay, let's be ready. We need to see the retracement. That's all. The retracement is very important. Okay. Let's trade the retracement. WF Cortés, sí, mi amigo, en BT Markets no se puede vincular con TradingView. Tienes que hacerlo del MetaTrader. Buen día, Laurito, siempre. Gracias, pura vida, madre. Con gusto, mi amigo. Un placer que esté por aquí. You're going to go to the British news? Yes, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell. But at least, but we need the retracement, guys. We need the retracement. If we don't have the retracement, probably the price will touch the long position. Okay, so just wait. So well, let's see. Price is going up, so that's great. La cuenta que estoy usando es la de FXI5, mi amigo. Arcilio. Okay, Laurito, my friend, speaking English, speaking English. So, well, guys, let's be ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Waiting the accumulation in 1 minute. What is accumulation in 1 minute candle? Um, we need to see an accumulation in 1 point. I'm seeing the accumulation around 41.20. So that could be great. Let's see if we can find a point again for 41.22. Let's see. Just be patient. Let's see what happened. Let's see. Be ready. Be ready. 41.20. Be ready. Okay, the price is retesting the point. So I'm into a sell position now. I'm into a sell position now. So there is the point, not the best point, but well, this is what we have. This is the point what we have. Let's see if we can try in a good position or not. It depends for the for this position. 5.50. Okay, 110. So, well, 41, 19, 60. 41, 25, that 10. I'm into a sell position. Let's see, guys. Not the best point. But well, probably some people can get the best, better position. Zero 05 or 003. Okay, 41, 15. Testing the point of entry again. DB1. It's trying to go back, but well, it's going up. Let's see. 42, 12. It's going up. It's going up to the 0.5. It's still there. Probably most of you can take a better position than me. So, but again, try to use the same stop loss 41, 25, 41, 26, something like this. Okay. So, well, there is the entry. Okay, the price is trying to steal there. Let's see. It depends for the next two candles if we can continue with that position. Mm, Even with this type of little consolidations, sometimes uh, I can apply for the open orders a second position. And so let's see. I like that. I like this consolidation than the first one. So, well, let's see. Pure patience. For example, I do something like this. Sometimes with the price is still there stuck, just reduce the the lot size, then take it using the same stop. For example, here, taking a better position, still there when the consolidation is into the um, taking that risk, but I reduce the percentage for the entry. That is an example. So let's see, guys. Waiting. Looks great. The reaction looks great. But of course, we need more. Uh, we need more pressure. So well, TP1 guys, TP1. It's now. TP1. It's now. So in this case, I take the zero dot zero. That's some partials now. Take here some partials for this 0.5. Now just go to reduce The first entry will be in break even. This one will be in there. And the second one is the same. I will reduce the. Now it's an option. If you want to be in break even, you can be in break even. If not, this is your option. I'm holding. Let's see if we can go to the TP2. $41.15. It's on a strong point. It's on a strong point. So, but well, again we need to break this point, the 41.15, if you want to continue. Let's see what happened. Remember, I already take some partials, reduce my stop loss. If you want, you can set the hard reaction for this point. Testing again the point of entry. Really hard reaction. Candle for 50 pips. Probably it will hit my my stop loss, my reduced stop. Not that good. Yes, the reduced stop was taken. So well, unfortunately, it goes back, and then two candles for made around 80 pips. This is the type of reactions what we have. Hopefully, some of you take some partials. Let me see how much we continue with the account. It stay there in $400 positive. Not that much. So well, the thing is, I like this point. I like these candles. So well, be taken. Price will test the sell zone, the old sell zone what we are having here. So we can try the position there. Okay. So let's see if we can try the position. Um, Same thing happened yesterday. Same thing happened yesterday. Like TP1, we touched TP1 two times, I think, and then the price gave us the nice reaction. So at this moment, we will wait. We will wait the reaction for see what happened. Here. Some pips there for save the trade. It didn't give me not that much. So well, at this point, waiting the consolidation in 1 minute. Mhm. It's okay, $49 and B. Perfect, my friend. That's great. That's that's nice, my friend. Yes, for a buy position since here, 41.13. That was great. So well, probably near to those points, 41.30 could be a good point. 41.30, 41.31. And continue into the sell zone. But the thing is, now we need the consolidation, guys. The consolidation. What is the consolidation? Um, in 1 minute, we need to see the consolidation. Man. So a group of candles. Waiting, waiting, guys. We need the prices stay there quiet, quiet. At least two, three candles, and not that hot, and that reactions what we are giving us right now. So well, 41.26 looks like a good point. 21, 41.28. Okay, the price is in two, three candles. So let's be ready. 41.25. Let's see if we can apply for a retracement around at least 41.28. Let's see. Waiting. Okay. 41.25. 41.25. Well, it stayed there in a consolidation. 41.26. Hmm. It's going back. Remember, I'm waiting. I'm waiting at least 41.27, 41.28. And trust we can touch better points. At least 41.28, 41.31, for example, or inclusive 41.35. It depends. At this point, waiting around 41.28. Okay, the price is still there in 41.25. So, that's the consolidation what I'm looking for. So let's try the position. Let's try the position if the price go up a little more, like this, exactly. Okay, prepare the position. I'm into a sell position. So well, that's it. Just waiting a little more. I opened the trade in the other account, but not in this one. Let's see. I prioritize my funded. Okay, perfect. So 32. So the position is taken. Let's see. 41.26. That's 60. Mhm. 32. That then. Remember, we are into the difficult point, difficult market. So you need to be clear of that. So please, please, use the proper lot size for your accounts. Now let's see what happened here. Okay. 41.21. Use the correct lot size, guys, please. That's really important. That's really, really important in this type of conditions. What we have for this week, that's really important. TP2, 41, 18, TP3, 41, 14, 41, 0, 8. 41.21. Price still there. I think TP2 is massive. Let's see what the price needs at this point. 48. Well, 9. I think 9 is okay. Mhm. Okay. 18.80. Almost TP1. But let's see. We need more, of course. We need more. That's really important. But the good thing is the price giving us a reaction there, so that's great. Now the deal for the sellers is break the TP1 and the TP2. If they break the TP1 and TP2, we will see at least TP3 and the full TP, inclusive a little more. So, well, let's see what happened. Probably some people can take a better position than me. That things happen. Or I can apply for double entry as the other trade, for example, doing the same thing like this, just waiting the a better point, but reducing the um, the lot size. Let's see what happened, but it's a risk, of course, it's a risk. Even here, I want trying to take the 41.28 and the price give me the price in 41.27. So not the best point again. Well, this is the reactions what we have. We need to understand that things happen. We're going to be more aggressive with this account because it's very slow. It's very slow. It's taking many times. So for that reason, I will use the strategy. Even if I can lose more, I can win more. So that's okay by my side. That is a nice accumulation there. So let's see. With more, we need more pressure for sellers, of course. Break the TP1, break the TP2, and of course pass the point of entry. Remember, the stop loss is there, so please respect always the stop loss. It's really, really important to respect the stop, please. Going back to 41.28. 41.29. We need the reaction now. We need the reaction at least in 41.30. So let's see. So that was a good reaction. So well, still there. Back to the point of entry. We need more. We need more, of course. It's not enough. Yes, but it was just a little candle. I prefer just the last six candles. That these candles are important. The next four candles, three candles to continue in this with this push. Everything can happen with this market, guys. We can go straight to the stop loss. We can go straight to the TP3. In less than 3 minutes, you can make 200 pips with no issues. So that's the reality. We can do nothing. Just try to apply all our knowledge, pure patience, and that's all. That's all. Last three candles. We need the three red candles. Okay, it's still there. Last two candles. Again, we need two candles in red for continue. The good thing is the price continue under the 41.27, so that's great. That's good. So this is the last candle, a really important candle. Really important candle. We need to stay there. We need to stay there. 41.27, 41.28. No more than that. No more than that. Still into the point of entry. Buyers trying to continue. So well, the price still there. Let's see. Nice TP1, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. Take some partials, please. Take some partials now. Take some partials, guys. Take some partials. TP1 it's now. So TP1 it's now. One entry in B, and the second entry will be in B2. $45 pips plus B. Both position is in B. It takes some partials here. Let's see. Let's see if we can continue with this position or not. It depends, but I will set the break even now. Take some partials, guys. I take some partials. TP1 is not enough for take a good profit. We need to see at least TP2. So just be sure to take some partials and set the B, guys. Okay, just be sure of that. As I told you guys, the 0.5 is an important point for buyers. So let's see what happened. Okay, the first position was taken. I continue my B with the second position. Let's see. And that's all. Hard movements for today. So yes, 45 pips. That's all. We have many hours today, so we will try another position. Two TP1s. Two TP1s today. 45. Two sales positions, 45 pips. Two TP1 sell plus 46 pips. Two TP1s. So well, the account. Let's see. Yesterday I was in minus. Well, I was in $360, and today is in $460. The TP1 give me just $100. Well, it's enough to continue. What happened now? As you can see, the price is in an indecision point. In a decision point. So well, guys, let's say this is the calentamiento. I don't know how to say in in English, but well, hopefully some you guys can follow the instructions when I set the break even, when I set the take some partials. Um, and well, let's see. I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm back. We have many hours at this point. And let's see what happened with the Selson. Let's see what happened with the Selson. I'm still believe this trade will continue down, but well, let's see what happened. Warm up, warm up. The warm up is done. So the next trade, what happened now? We need to see if the price will break this zone, something like this, or it will respect this position. So let's see. Let's see. The sell zone is not giving us that reaction that we are looking for. For that reason, um, we tried two times. So I'm not going to try the another time because I need to see what happened with the next 1 hour candle. So I'm going to eat my breakfast and bad guys. So well, let's see. Finally, the sell zone was taken. Okay. Let's wait the retracement. Let's be ready. For the ones who are in negative, guys, I already explained TP1. It's important and you can follow the process. If you don't follow the process, of course, you're going to be in negative. Sorry for that, but then explain the all the things here. Well, if you don't follow that process, well, you will be in negative, of course. Let's see. I'm waiting the consolidation. Waiting the consolidation. Let's see what happened. At least everyone to say prices around 41, 20, 25. So let's wait. Let's wait. Next candle probably will give us a good reaction. Good reaction. Inclusive here, inclusive that point. 0.5 is here. The 41, 20, 22. Let's see, and let's expect something good. 41, 22, 41, 20. Mhm. Okay, well, at this point, uh, no consolidation. The consolidation, what I'm seeing is around 41.22. Mm. By my side, it's 10 a.m. So it's good. So, well, guys, remember I'm using the prop firm challenge. So if you want to apply and see what is the best prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see the best discount, the best offers, of course, the best comments about many prop firms and the most trustable prop firms, of course. So just go there, check the information, and you will see many traders, many people rate the different comments. If something good, the people explain there. If there's something is bad, people rate there too. So it's a really nice website to rate the prop firms, guys. So just go there and you will see the information. Of course, if you use the link, you will receive the best discounts, guys. So, so yes. So the link is into the chat and into the description. Bro, you look like a dumb. I don't know what is a dumb. Hello, everyone. Hello, my friend. Bryce looks exhausted. Yes, everyone is exhausted. At this point, everyone is exhausted. High impact news. Sellers losing the fight. Buyers still there. So yes, how many percent do you get that when you get that with your withdrawal? 80%, my friend. 80%. 80%. Remember, the prop firms is the money isn't real, right? The money isn't real. The only real is when you get your withdrawal, but the account is basically it's not real. It's fake. But it's nice by the people like me. We take advantage of the prop firms. If But the real deal for the prop firms, guys, is just sell the challenge. But I recommend the challenge because it's a really nice way to understand how the markets works, how the real account works, and how the positions will you take will see into your accounts better than practice with your real money. So yes, we have an accumulation there in 4130 could be a good point. So let's see. Around 4127 looks like this consolidation, but I prefer to be honest, I prefer just wait the retracement 4125. But at this point, I'm seeing this little break here, so 4127 could be the point. The sell zone was taken for that reason. I discard these positions. We already tried two sells, guys, into the sell zone. Now in 1 hour, well, let me explain because probably some people don't understand what I'm looking for. So, well, in 1 hour, we were using this pressure for sellers. For that reason, we opened the trade near to those points and then trying to clarify the position. Now, as you can see, the price break that zone and give us another volume by some near to 4125. So that's the reaction what I want to see. Nothing here, nothing here. To be honest, nothing is here. Just this resistance in 4155. So that's the explanation why we changed the plan. If you want to follow it, that's okay. If you don't want to follow it and open a sell position, that's okay too. Respect your point of view. So that's great. That's great. What's going on? This is the Gambox. Well, the Dom Dom is open alone. Is also he continues selling. My friend, don't recommend entries here, please. Waiting, guys. Remember, I'm waiting. Did we move the last move? I don't know. Let's see. It will test the 4140. But yes, unfortunately, at this point, it looks like a good point. It's 4130. So well, It's pure patience. Everything can happen. The price can't go back instantly. Remember, you didn't reply. Da, da, da. Okay. Beautiful day, dear Rodorito. Thanks. It was a beautiful day. Yes, some pips, 80 pips in total, but TP1, it's not the best. Mm. Touch on the body. Okay, we got some break. Okay, next retracement. <clears throat> 4130. We have time, at least 30 minutes. Okay, the price is going up. It's going back, sorry. Price is going it's going back. I missed the current due to my internet issue. Bad luck to me. Well, we're still waiting, my friend. We're still waiting. Let's see. We need the consolidation at least. Okay. Again, reaction there. So let's see. Well, we can apply that position. So let's see. We need the consolidation again. 1 minute, two, three candles for C and a strong point, and it will be good. There's so Captain Furrow. Okay. Okay, let's be focused. 41.32. That's the question. 41.32. That's the question. If we can open there or not, it depends for the next candles. Remember this one is going to be the last trade into the day. Finally, it's a good reaction, good retracement. Beautiful retracement. Remember, even if the price touched the point of entry, we need to wait the deconsolidation in 1 minute. Okay, so waiting. That's great for our intentions. We can go back to our point of the original point. Sorry. 41.27, 41.26, 25. never knew the danger. So falling, that's great. If it's falling 100 pips in less than 10 minutes, remember we're waiting. We are waiting. We are not into any position. We are not into any position. Okay, 25. 41.25. It's here. We're waiting, guys. We are waiting. Beautiful drop. Something what we are looking for in the last sales, what we do. But well, let's see. Perfect. Testing the 41.22. And we are waiting. Still waiting, waiting, and waiting, guys. What we are waiting, the consolidation in 1 minute. That is what we are waiting for. Okay. 41.22, 41.24 looks like a strong point. We need another reaction. We need another retracement for open the loan. So our original point was there. And this trade will be difficult. A little bit difficult. But well. Let's see. We need a retracement again. Let's be ready. Okay, 2 minutes. That's good. Waiting. Perfect. So the price is still there. But I would say that at least 41.25, 21.45. Let's see. The thing is because I need that consolidation in 1 minute, 2, 3 candles, and now it's full volatility without consolidation. For that reason, we're waiting. I have the messages here to give the order. I have the entry here for open the position, but still waiting. The reaction was so hard when the price touched the 41.25. So for that reason, it's it's difficult. But next candle it's coming, so that's great. That's great. Okay, this is the last candle. So wait, even with with that massive drop, we got the massive reaction too. So that's beautiful for this market. That's the thing. Uh, so what's in the? I know many people open the sell position and see like that's all sell position. Let's go to 41 4105 or something like this, and as you can see, the price it's not giving nothing for no one. So my limit order hit at 4123, so that's great, my friend. Beautiful, beautiful. For the others who don't use the limits, for the rest of the people, the mortal people here, waiting. Okay, price is falling again, so that's okay. Okay, so well, there's a little consolidation. Not the best price, to be honest. Why? Because the price grows up so fast. It gives us the confirmation. Now we are waiting the retracement. So the consolidation is in 41.20, 41.30. Tenemos una consolidación en 41.30 en un minuto. Podría ser. Es mucho. So now that's the difficult thing. Now I need to take a decision. I need to take a decision. What is the point? You know. But the price is helping us to giving us a retracement. So well, let's try to open. Let's try to be ready. So well, the 4130 looks strong. So we will prepare the position there. The consolidation is there. 41.30. So let's try the position. Now I'm into the long position. I need a little retracement for open here. I forget to change the lot size. Nice. It goes back. That was great position. Not the best point. But well, we are into the long. Let's see. 41.31, then 54. Stop loss 41.26. 41.26. Thirty-one, 41, 35, 6. Keep it 2. Remember, the stop loss is the most important thing at this point. TP3, 30, 40, 40 p.m. 41, 50. So the price is there, 41.35. TP2, TP2 is 38. Okay, 38 looks great. TP2. And TP3. 41, 42. Okay. $48. Okay, let me clarify here the positions. 48, 41. Okay, let's see if we have a successful end of the week or not. It depends. It depends for these candles. Here looks in a best point, a better point. You can try like this. It's usual that I open a double position. most of the times. When if the price stayed there in the drawdown, so it's risky. But if I win, I'm going to win more. Of course, same as stop loss. I'm not change the stop loss. Just to be clear. Let's see what happened. This movement looks like a hard reaction. It's something to prove, even if I share the point of entry into the Telegram, you can take a better position most of the time than my point of entry. So let's see. 41.28. Of course, we need more. We need more. That consolidation wasn't strong, unfortunately. Looks like it will hit the stop. We need more pressure for buyers now if we want to save this position. And this is something what I don't like when we got the confirmation, but that confirmation it looks like a really strong and goes up so hard. Sometimes it's like this, like stay in one point and then the price go back more. So well, let's be ready for any scenario. It will want to take this position, still there. 41.27, going back hard. And probably it hit the stop, still there, trying to defend, but we are so um, very well. Was so far? Let's see if we can survive or not. If we can survive or not, it depends. Mhm. Okay, it's going up. But again, it's not enough. It's not enough. We're still there. Not into the best point. We open the trade near to the break of a structure here with a little volume sum there. So well, let's see. Some pips. Looks like a little reaction for buyers. So it depends of your spread. Probably it will hit the stop. Depends of the broker. This type of entries is like this, when the price is very tight to the stop loss. Um, According, and it depends of the broker. Probably some people here can touch the the stop loss. Other people will continue like me. So let's see. Going back, well, the reaction was good, was good, but we need more. We need more. Going back to our point of entry, and probably, of course, people with more experience or take a better position. That means that's totally valid. So let's see. We need to break the point of entry and break the 0.5. This type of market is like this. Some people enter for sell, and then other people enter for buy. Well, it goes both sides. It both sides depends of your point of entry. The process, of course. I use the consolidation in 1 minute. So, well, it depends of your experience. You can hold the position if you feel the pressure. You can just take off the sorry, close the position. It depends of you guys. Now it's a positive, negative for the ones who who opened the sale. We were in negative some minutes ago. Now we're in positive. The sellers now is in negative, and they were in positive some minutes ago. That things happen. That things happen, guys. That things happen. Um, and well, some people hit the V. Um, and yes, that is trading, guys. That is trading. Even if you copy me, it's a difficult one. I'm receiving reports in WhatsApp, people into the Telegram that they uh, they did a good profit, but another people take the stop loss. Well, everyone guys have a different trade, guys. That's the sad area. It's really sad the reality what we are happening right now. With this type of positions, we are trying our best, and then the price go back fast. Um, that's all. Give us the consolidations, and then the price go back to our stop, and then give us a good reaction. Now everything can happen. We can go straight to the stop loss now again. So let's see. Let's see. No one this moment have the reality like to open this. We need this price continue like this. The next 10 candles. That's the thing. I prefer the Still there, the price is still there. This is the we need 9 candles more with the strong pressure going back to our point of entry. Today is so um difficult, difficult. A lot of news, a lot of news, a lot of high impact news. That's the that's the thing with the unclear market. Even this week was awful. I did many clarifications into the Telegram for provide them the best steps to follow the entries, because I know it's difficult. So, well, going back, hmm, negative again. 41.28. Last 7 candles. Again, I prefer this candle sense like this, and then the last 5 candles give us the strong point. So let's see. Pure patience. Pure patience. Okay. Looks like 2 good candles. Last 6 candles. Finally. Let's see if we can go back to our point of entry. Or just we will touch the stop loss. It depends for the next candles. Still there into the 41.30, 29. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 41.27. Mm, so strong. Again, the 0.5 give us that reaction there. So if we go back to the 41.31, buyers is a must to go strong to break the 41.34. Still there in negative. Last four candles. So these four candles will be decisive. But looks so strong. To be honest, looks so strong. The sellers, and probably it will hit. Let's see. Three minutes with not a good reactions for buyers. Last three candles. Okay, still there. It's a dodgy. Uh, let's see the last two candles. Going back to the 41.29. At least if we stay around 41.30, that would be a good signal. Losing all the pressure. This is the last candle, a really important candle in 1 minute. This one will clarify our fate. Mm-hmm. 41.27, and the price will end in our stop. Very, very close. Just one candle more and it will hit the stop. Unfortunately. And that's all, guys. Stop hit. That's all. So the stop is there. Not much to do. Difficult zone. What we try to apply confirmation in 41 20 23, retracement dip to 41.26, and then hard reaction here into the 41.34. So yes, difficult one. Nothing to do. Let's see what happens in the next sessions, guys. Three trades. One, two, one. No, two is two TP1s, so that's not good. That's not good. Minus 55 pips. That's not good. But well, we are really weird. Really weird this week. Many trades. Some negative, some positive. Difficult positions because many people can take it. And well, this is the first week of this new account. So well, I started this account on Tuesday, I think. Tuesday, yes. Tuesday. So well, that was nice. And this stop is there, guys. Not too much to do. Please don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. And accept the results. Probably next Monday we will have a better conditions for continue with this market conditions. 1572 minus 52 minus 55. You could have used a bigger stop, but well, it doesn't matter. This market don't care about if you use a bigger stop loss or not. So well, it hit the stop. This is the results for the week. Some people ends in negative. Some people ends in positive. Um, it depends of the experience, of course. Probably most of the people lose the don't follow, the instructions for TP1 and everything. And what we will recover. We will recover. At the end, for example, an example here, one guy did his account is little, so during the week he made 20 profits, $20. He lose $11, and at the end of the week he made $9 profit. So so yes, it depends. It depends for that. Let's see what happened. By my side, it's the same. By my side, it's the same. I start the week with the minus $300. I'm starting the week plus $193. Not that much. But well, even today I'm using the double entry. So well, that's okay. It's totally valid to just stay there. 4 trades of the day. One stop in Tokyo. 2 TP1s in New York session, and one stop in New York. So the list, 4 trades in Tokyo, 2 stop loss, 1 TP3 and 1 TP2. New York session, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 stop loss in the New York session. Three stop loss in New York session of 11 trades. So that means we win 8 trades during the week. Well, lose one Nasdaq and win one Dow Jones trade. So that means, but well, let me read the comments. They're good. Yes, I know I lose 40 pips today overall. Yes, I know some people lose some pips. But yes, this is the situation what we have. Probably was a short day, but I mean, some people get profit in the long, some people get profit with the shorts. The people who were in the long, now it's negative. The people probably in the next hours probably will be negative too. So well, that's the reality, guys. So well, just remember I'm using this prop firm link with TradingView. If you want to apply for the prop firms, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. You will see the best discount, the best offers, and the best information provided for the different people around the world. Why? Because the people they rate the prop firms, guys. So just be clear of that. Just be clear of that. If you click the link is into the description and it's into the chat, guys. So make me a favor and click the link, guys. I hate this Freaky Friday. Well, like it stayed like zero, like zero, like twos to one TP1, two TP2s. Damn, this stop loss. Well, that's all. So, well, guys, by my side, that was the last trade of the day. We tried so hard to understand the market direction today. I tried to apply all the information, but at the end of the day, the market breaks some structures and then goes back for um, for the position. Okay, it gives us a confirmation into the sun, and then nothing. So well, guys, that's all. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everyone being here. I really appreciate all the people here. The good comments, the bad comments, the likes, the dislikes, the people who always stay there, giving me the support, my moods, my subscribers, the members, the people into the Discord, and the people into the Telegram. Let's pray for next Monday we will be better. Okay. So see you soon, guys. If you want more entries, just remember contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free.